Hey everyone, the Motorola Razr Plus 2025, also expected to be marketed as the Razr 60 Ultra in certain regions, is shaping up to be one of the most refined flip phones on the market. Recent leaks, including Geekbench listings and leaked renders, confirm that Motorola is equipping this next-generation foldable with flagship-level hardware and a premium design. The device, codenamed Orion, is set to feature a sleek dark green finish with a stitched imitation leather back, adding touch of sophistication and luxury to its aesthetic. This new design element enhances grip and durability while giving it more upscale feel compared to previous models. One of the most notable highlights of Razr Plus 2025 is its massive cover display, which continues to set Razr series apart from many of its competitors. Unlike smaller outer screens seen in some foldables, this expansive external panel will support full-fledged Android apps, allowing users to interact with notifications, run apps, and perform various tasks without needing to unfold the device. This feature was already a game-changer in the previous Razr models, and its continued presence reinforces Motorola's focus on functionality and convenience in a compact form factor. The right edge of the phone houses a side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button, along with volume controls. The bottom edge is equipped with a USB-C port, a speaker, a microphone, and a SIM slot, maintaining a familiar and user-friendly layout. Although full images of the internal foldable display are yet to be revealed, leaks indicate that the screen will feature slim bezels and a centered punch hole cutout for the front-facing camera, ensuring a clean and immersive viewing experience. The rear of the Razr Plus 2025 sports a dual-camera setup, a slight upgrade from its predecessor. While detailed specifications of the camera sensors remain undisclosed, early reports suggest that one module will serve as a wide-angle lens, while the second will function as a telephoto lens. This would mark the return of a zoom-capable camera to Razr lineup, an option that was absent in the previous model. Under the hood, Razr Plus 2025 is expected to be powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-tier performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. Paired with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, the phone is set to deliver a smooth and efficient user experience. The battery capacity is rumored to be around 4,000 mAh, which would be an improvement over the previous model, potentially offering longer endurance for daily tasks and multimedia consumption. Just like its predecessor, the large cover screen will continue to support a wide variety of Android apps, a feature that distinguishes the Razr series from competitors such as Oppo's latest foldable offerings. This extended functionality enhances the usability of the outer screen, allowing users to reply to messages, watch videos, and navigate apps without unfolding the device. Overall, Razr Plus 2025 appears to be a well-rounded upgrade that blends premium design, improved performance, and an enhanced user experience. Its combination of a flagship chipset, refined build, and expansive cover display keeps it at the forefront of the foldable phone market. While official details are still pending, the leaks suggest that this device will cater to both tech enthusiasts and style-conscious users looking for a high-end, pocketable foldable. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.